Dear students of class 10, today we study the topic heights and distance. So before start with this topic, we recapitulate the trigonometric ratios and trigonometric tables. As we know, the trigonometric tables and trigonometric ratio, there are 6 trigonometrical ratio. One is sine, suppose triangle ABC is right angle triangle, opposite side of a 90 degrees hypotenuse. If this angle be theta, then opposite sides of angle theta is perpendicular and this one is base. Now sin theta means perpendicular by hypotenuse, cos theta that is base by hypotenuse, tan theta perpendicular by base. Now reciprocal of cosec theta that is sin theta. So cosec theta is hypotenuse by perpendicular, sec theta is hypotenuse by base, and the cot theta base by perpendicular. Now the trigonometrical tables of standard angle. Standard angle, these are standard angles: 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and the 90 degree. So sine 0 value is 0, sine 30 half, sine 45 1 by root 2, sine 60 root 3 by 2, sine 90 is 1. So cos 0 value is 1, cos 30 root 3 by 2, cos 45 1 by root 2, cos 60 half, and the cos 90 value is 0. Now tan is sin theta by cos theta. So sin 0 is 0, cos 0 1. So tan 0 value is 0, tan 30 1 by root 3, tan 45 1, tan 60 root 3, and the tan 90 is undefined. Now cosec, that is reciprocal of sine. So undefined cosec 0, cosec 32, cosec 45 root 2, cosec 60 2 by root 3, and cosec 91. Sec 0 1, sec 30, sec 45, sec 60, sec 90 undefined. And cot is reciprocal of tan. So cot 0 is undefined, 1 by 0, cot 30 root 3, cot 45 1, cot 60 1 by root 3, and the cot 90 is 0. This is the trigonometric tables for standard angle. Now if we have to find the trigonometric values of non-standard angle, suppose if we find the value of sine 35 degree 22 minutes, how do you find sine 35 degree 22 minutes? Now if you see the last few pages of maths book, some tables are given. Using this table you can find this value. Suppose first maybe table is table of natural science, table of natural science. Like this, for horizontal vertically 0 degree, 1 degree, 2 degree, like this given, 35 degree and last 89 degree, and horizontally some mean is given. Mean is, that is multiple of 6, suppose 0, 6, 12, 18, 24, like this, 54 minute, and mean difference given. One minute, 2 minute, 3, 4 and 5 minutes. Now first here sin 35 degree given, 18 minute given, not 22 minute. So from table you write first sin 35 degree, sin 35 degree 80 minute value. From table you write first this value. What is the value of sin 35 degree 80 minute value? Value is 0.5779, and difference between 22 minute and 80 minute, that is 4 minute. So mean difference for 4 minute, from table you can see these value, that is 10. So write 10 here. Now add these two. So value is 5, 7, 8, 9. So sin 35 degree 22 minute value is 0.5789. Now if we find value of cos 86 degree 40 minute. Now this table is for natural science. Now you check the table of natural cosines. Natural cosine, suppose here 86 degree given and here 36 minute. So from here 86 degree 36 minute, suppose what is the value? Cos 86 degree 36 minute, suppose this value is 0.0593. Now here 40 minutes, here 36 minutes. 40 is not multiple of 6. So mean difference for 4 minutes, suppose 4 minutes mean difference is 12. So write 12 here. Now for sine, find sine, we add here. For finding cos, we subtract these two values. For find sine, we add. For cos, we subtract so result is 0.0581. This value is cos 86 degree 40 minute. Okay. Now similarly for finding tan, this process similar to sine. You find the value, then find mean difference, then add, then you find the tan of the tan value of the angle. Now we come to my topic, that is this height and distance. Here two concepts. One is angle of elevation, another one is angle of depression. Suppose observer is standing at point P and he is looking at point R. If observer standing at P and he is looking at R, this line is the horizontal line. That means this line is the eye level of the observer. If we join this, it's a right angle triangle. That is eye level of the observer. Eye level of the observer. And this line is the line of sight. Angle between these two lines may be theta. So theta is called angle of elevation of R with respect to point P. Whereas if observer standing at point R and he is looking down at P, this line is the horizontal line or eye level of the observer. So if this angle is alpha, this angle is called angle of depression. So angle alpha is called angle of depression of P with respect to point R. So if observer standing at P and he is looking up point R, angle is called angle of elevation, and if observer standing at point R and he is looking down at P, then angle is called angle of depression. So if observer standing at P and he is looking up at R, then angle is called angle of elevation. But if observer standing at R and he is looking at P, this angle is called angle of depression. Now these two angles are equal. Angle of elevation and angle of depression are equal because these two angles are alternate angle, but rather angle of depression and angle of elevation are equal in numerically, but concept wise these are different. Numerically equal because these two angles are alternate angle, but both the concept is different. If observer standing at P and he is looking at R, angle is called angle of elevation. If observer standing at R and he is looking at P, then angle form, this angle is called angle of depression. Now we will solve some problem with help of this concept.